I'm starting to fix the microwave closing mechanism step by step. Step 1. I selected a location on the latch body and drilled a hole to install the spring. Step 2. I fixed one end of the spring in the hole I made. Step 3. The other end of the spring was fixed in the place provided by the manufacturer. Done. I check the functionality of my design of the disassembled microwave door. Success. I assemble an improved door and install it on the microwave. It's time to test the assembled GE microwave. To check, I put a glass of cold water and start the fast heating mode. Success again. The microwave started and the water heated up. This completes the microwave repair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.